Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is zoology with Radeena. And first of all, thank you for the viewers and the subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the largest land animal in this world. It is the elephant. Let's start the video. Elephants are mammals like you and me. And from all the types of elephants, African elephant is the largest land animal in this world. Do you know African elephants can grow up to 13 feet tall? That's so tall! And they can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Look, this is African elephant. Elephant babies live in their mother's tummy for 24 months. That means 2 years. That's a very long time. Look, this is a pregnant elephant. And the female elephants have the longest gestation period of any animal in this world. Do you know what we call a group of elephants? It is called as a pride. Look at this. This is a pride. And their babies are called as calves. Look how cute this calf is. Do you know elephant babies are born blind? I can see. Elephants are herbivores. That means they only eat plants, vegetables and fruits. Look, they are eating so much food. Yummy! I am an elephant. I am an elephant. Elephants are four-legged animals and their legs are like large logs. Let's talk about an important body feature about it. It is the trunk. The trunk means its nose. Elephants use their trunks to bring food and water to their mouths and to breathe and smell. They are not scared of mouse like us, but they are scared of small insects like the bees and ants. Bees and ants can get in their trunks. Elephants are incredibly smart. Oh, it's drawing a picture. Elephants have a larger brain than any land mammal in this world. And its brain weighs up to 13 pounds. Look and compare its brain. Elephants can remember places, smells, things that happen to them, and people. They have amazing memory. Do you know elephant skin is very sensitive? They even can feel flies land on their skin when they are roaming around. Elephants are very good swimmers. Elephants have very big ears. Even they can't see their own back body because of their big ears. Elephants sleep while they are standing. Finally, elephants are very valuable to us. In ancient time and now, elephants help us very much. In ancient time, elephants helped us to battle and to lift heavy logs and to travel. Look how they help us in ancient time and now. Do you know a famous parrot in in Sri Lanka, it is the Dalada Perahara. In Dalada Perahara, we use so many elephants. As a Sri Lankan, with elephants, we can make the Dalada Perahara very proud. Finally, this is the end of this video, and I hope you all learned something about elephants today. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you soon with another video. Thank you for